Hello, Siwan. I have chicken and watermelon. What can I do with it? I guess it will be difficult this time. Recipe is being generated. This recipe is somewhat difficult. Recipe, I'm going. That all works. Hello, Siwan. I want to eat spicy meat with bell peppers. Recipe successfully generated. Spicy meat with bell peppers has been created for you. I want it a bit more sour. Add an additional 5 grams of vinegar. Saute at high heat at medium speed. Thanks. Wow, did you see that, guys? This AI robot, it really cooks with intelligence. And that's not all. I'll show you one of its hidden features. Hello, Siwan. I have smoked bacon and tomatoes in the fridge. Please make me a Sichuan-style dish. The second image was successfully generated. The dish of tomatoes with smoked bacon is ready. Oh, Sada. Wow, did you see that? Besides the everyday dishes you can order, it can also prepare dishes where you just say what you have. And it makes it for you. This is the groundbreaking new product from Kianke. No more searching for recipes, no washing and chopping ingredients, no cooking yourself, and no washing the pot. The comprehensive intelligent AI cooking robot 10,000 Skyworks allows you to simply buy the prepared ingredients before leaving work and then name the desired dish. The AI cookbook for fried peppers combined with a dual sensory model can capture a standardized recipe in 1 second and personalize the recipe to your taste. I want it a bit milder. The adjustment has already been made, additionally reducing 0.5 grams of salt. A personalized recipe that is then automatically cooked by the comprehensive bionic chef. Like with alternating fast and slow frying, where the heat is stronger or weaker, the seasoning is adjusted, adding 25 degrees. All these advanced cooking techniques are precisely replicated by the 10,000 Celestial Works. Even the pot is cleaned for you. I should gift it to my mother, then I won't have to worry about a meal anymore. And even more amazing is that it can remember your taste preferences, like with fried corn and shrimp. As a person from Guangdong, I finally like it clear and light. So, the taste is good. So, after using it for 10 days or half a month, each time a recipe is created, which is a simplified version. What are you waiting for? Quickly get your cooking challenge teammate to come and take a look at it.